Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change car color in Forza Horizon 6. Doing this is pretty easy. First, head over to the Horizon Festival site or go to any of the house you own. After that, we need to go to Cars tab. Under it, select Designs and Paints. Then we have to go to Paint Car. After that, it will open the design editor. From here, choose the part of the car you want to change color of, such as body. Then we also have hood, mirrors, and just go through all of these options and pick the color for every individual part. But I want to paint the body. For that, I'll select the first option, double tap it, and then it will show you all the current colors. Now we have different types of tabs here. First one is manufacturer color. Then we have normal color, where we can pick the color we want to have. So let's say I want to get this green color, and if you want to change the finish of this paint, then press RT on Xbox, R2 on PlayStation, or tab key on your PC to change the paint finish, like you can see on the screen, such as semi-gloss, matte, metallic, gloss. So bunch of types are here. You can pick the one you like, and if you want to pick the color manually, then press X on your keyboard or X on Xbox, square on PlayStation in order to open the color fine tune, and from here you can adjust hue, saturation, brightness, so you can pick color manually like this. And once you're happy with it, then just select A on Xbox to confirm the change. And if you want to change the color of your hood, then just select the hood like this, again select it. After that, pick the color for your hood. So I want to have this yellow color, I'll just select that. After that, the color will be changed. And if you want to have any special color, then just go to the special color tab, and from here pick the special color you want to have. So we have this aluminum semi-gloss. I can just select it like this, then adjust the hue and saturation and confirm your change, and the color of your hood will be changed. After doing all these things, just select save from bottom and the color of your car will be changed. So this is the process. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.